Good morning. Good morning, everyone. So now we are here disrupting 1 and 2 of the team 2 of the CSC AML group, giving the group discussion about the future belongs to lifelong learners only.
So my roll number is 24 KD 1 year 4 to 180.
So my roll number is 24 KD 1 year 4 3.
My roll number is 17
Mine is 25.
Mine is 20 and mine is 21.
and mine is 24.
And mine is 23.
Okay, so let's start the group discussion now. So I believe the statement that the future belongs to lifelong learners only. What do you guys say?
I feel that there is a question actually. Is the degree important for getting a job? I feel that degree is important to learn the basic knowledge and to get the qualification to survive in the technologies that are present now for required for the job. I also feel that degree is not only important, along with the degree qualification, we also require some technology skills or technical skills, communication skills, how to behave, how to speak, etc. I feel that degree is important, but along with degree, we also need the other requirement skills that to secure a job.
Ms. Sharishma, I'll agree your point because degree is important because it is the foundation to get any opportunity. So after degree, we can learn the skills to sustain any industry. So along with degree and also skills are more important.
In my perspective, future belongs to lifelong learners because learning never stops. As, as the world keeps changing, we need to update our skills and knowledge. Continuous learning helps us grow, face challenges, achieve our goals.
Yes, I agree with you. Learning should never stop after the college. We may learn new technology skills and build a future for next generations also.
Yeah, in my opinion, lifelong learning means it is continuous gaining knowledge because in nowadays the world is rapidly changing. So based on that, we should update ourselves. So the technology is changing of because of AI or something else technical skills, but we should improve our skills based on like that, which improves the career jobs also. So it never stops, I think.
I think the continuous learning is not about always learning a theoretical stuff only,
Yeah.
but we need to adjust as per the present generation is going on. We are also known we the generation called as Gen Z kids, but we need to overcome with this like what we can say like present we are having a AI and most of the things are coming into the market. We should adapt them with our knowledge because we are gaining the knowledge from our 10th and inter. Now we have to look around that AI sources so that we can come with the continuous learning and achieve better marks in that.
Yes, we can learn from our failures and experiences and gain much confidence future.
And also someone who stops learning even after getting the job, they may be outdated even if they have some many years of experience. Yeah, that is what I believe and agree all of you because the first foundation is the career, like the skills which we require, the certificate, the education that we require. It's the only qualification or the basic qualification, but it's only is not enough. We need some more things. Even though we learn few skills, few courses, which are like out of our college syllabus or out of our stream, but even though we get into job also, we still need to learn continuously. What are the trending topics? What are the trending technologies? And what are the recently new upcoming features that we need to learn all of them so that we can upgrade ourselves every time into this rapidly changing society. Or else I believe like how the Ujjana told that we'll be outdated. It's like we will be stuck at only one place and going our life in a single loop. But if we learn continuously, we'll upgrade ourselves, we'll improve our career, we'll be in a top position where nobody can catch us.
So I would like to say that there is two more differences between the continuous learning and what the skills we have to adapt. Continuous learning means suppose if a person is studying in a 10th class, he doesn't know about what should we choose after this 10th, what we can do, either diploma or else inter. So he must be in a confusion. Suddenly he could be getting a recommendations like some persons will be say take this course, you get more opportunities in a B.Tech or M.Tech, like you can gain more knowledge. But either he when he comes to the B.Tech or else diploma, when he is studying in a diploma and come to the B.Tech second year, he get he can get more knowledge about that how the career goes on and which skills I need to require for the job opportunities. With all this, he get more confused. Like what we can say, like if a person come from intermediate, he can know about that how the facilities will be there, how that its life goes on, and where we can start and where we can develop these things. Like continue learning can get more chances. Like if the person is getting into this diploma, although he could manage, but continuous learning says that when he started focusing on career, he can choose the goals. He can once he choose the goal, he will start that learning with his self motivated, so that he can achieve his goals. And that not only who the person is studying, but also the person who are having the skills in the market, they can also get upgraded and can get more chances to get the qualification scenarios will be the better.
Yeah. So what you say, it is very important because continuous learning is not like, okay, I have to read a concept like for 8 hours in a go, or I have to do exercise daily, or I have to learn the skills daily. It's like we need consistency, we need discipline, we need a fixed path. Yes. If we can take an example, which is the CEO of Google, which is Sundar Pichai. He didn't stop himself by being a CEO in Google. He didn't stop by just creating a Google or Gmail. He has upgraded it. He has found what are the problems behind it. He has created Google Sheets, Drive, and the anti-gravity, which is ID Shell, Google Maps, and you can see that every feature that we require for a daily living has a Google apps in it. In every apps, there is a Gemini where we can access AI in it. So we can take him as an example, a role model that we need to upgrade ourselves continuously and learn continuously new technologies or things. Thank you for the discussion.
So a very good morning to you all, respected teachers and all my friends. Today we are here for a group discussion on the topic. Every problem is an innovation for an opportunity. So let's start the discussion. So Shrey, what do you think about it?
Every problem has a solution, so we must go through the solution for the problem. If there is no way to be found, we have to ask elders for the help. They can give us the best suggestion about the problems we are facing now.
Yeah, every problem is like an obstacle. We need to think and deeper, and we need to make sure that problem should be rectified in a simpler way and make the things in a such a way that we're going to be successful in that.
Yes, Gokul, when we face a problem, we should think why it happened and how we can solve the problem in different ways using our creativity.
Yes, every problem is an opportunity. For example, while we are doing any projects, we can face many bugs and errors in the code. So we try to fix it and learn new things from it. So we have to learn new things. It is an opportunity to learn more.
Yes, Sandhya, I agree with your point. we have to think differently instead of traditional ways. While we are thinking in differently, we have different ways of thinking mindset to useful becoming of tools.
In addition to that, I want to add a small quote that if you can't do a great things, do a small things in a great way. We have a quotation. Be simply nothing but if any problem is existing and it is an obstacle, it is a signal that we can add any features to the or to solve the problem. What do you think about that?
We can't solve the problem, so we can communicate other one. They can know the real problem about that. We can solve more problems. We know that. So we can communication is very important to solve the problem.
Yeah, to solve the problem, first we have to discuss with everyone. We have to know different ideas of everyone. And finally, from the different ideas, we finally give one good decision from number of ideas. From
So yeah, Tesh, I want to add a point. So recently we have done a project on CSP. That is, we have visited a hospital. There we have observed that the most of the patients are facing a queue management system. So this is our major concern in in that hospital. So we with our team make us to thought that make a queue management system for the hospital and do a creativity for that hospital and make the patient like a innovative thing for the hospital.
So I would like to conclude that here critical thinking, problem solving skills, and deep thinking and communication skills are equally very important. So that by these all five elements, we can uh, give a better solution to anyone. So hereby I conclude that everything is very important. Thank you.
Thank you.